participants in our study recognized the impact of generative AI. Over 70% of them see AI as a top investment priority. And if we look at those that we've identified as digital leaders, they will recognize that part of their leadership depends on the adoption of generative AI. Generative AI really provides a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for a radical acceleration of digital transformation strategies. It enables us to very rapidly build compelling new user experiences at a pace that we've never done before. It also provides superpowers to the professionals in our organizations as they engage with customers. Firms need to do three things differently to take full advantage of generative AI. First, they need to invest in training their staff, particularly the business leaders who are going to drive adoption. And in fact, in our study, 46% of participants said they were doing that. The second thing is to create a safe environment for access to the technology in a way that has some controls, some monitoring. The third thing that firms need to do is to think through a tiered approach to risk that allows them to segregate out those use cases which have the highest risk, potentially from hallucination or from harmful bias in the models. Some of the most impactful areas for generative AI are in improving the customer experience. We're seeing people using chatbots powered by generative AI to enable much more rapid responses to client questions. There's some very interesting uses of generative AI to allow customers to access quite complex data and navigate through it using a chat interface as opposed to traditional menus or dashboards. One area that customers are maybe not thinking about as much as they should be is applying generative AI in the area of operations. And in our own work at Broadridge, we're seeing tremendous opportunities to make back office and all kinds of middle office operations much more productive using generative AI. As we look ahead at the impact of generative AI, we're really excited about the opportunities. We can create compelling solutions by combining predictive analytics, such as machine learning, with generative AI that allows us to make predictions that help our customers be far, far more productive. So I really think that all the different flavors of AI are coming together, and they're all expanding in their scope and their promise.